In front of me is Nevin Phone 4a, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to tap on this section called Special Features. Now tap on Gestures and click on one-handed mode to activate it here. Quick tip, if you are using 3 buttons navigation, this section won't be available. I will show you how to use one-handed mode anyway in a second. Firstly, if you are using gestures, use this switcher. Make sure pull screen into reach is on and follow those instructions. Pull down the top half of your screen, like that. So swipe down from the bottom of your screen to do the same as animation shows, and as you can see after a few seconds, one-handed mode is on. To go back, you have to wait a few seconds and don't touch your screen, or simply click on this area at the top. You can also swipe up. To disable one-handed mode fully, use the same no black switcher until it's gray. If you are using 3 buttons, I will change mine to show you. Click on one-handed mode as well. Scroll all the way down and use this gray switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Choose OK in the pop-up and use shortcut to enter or exit one-handed mode. Most people miss though that you can also tap on one-handed mode shortcut on the left and pick one of those options instead, like volume keys or quick settings. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!